we can move the cartridge head in the middle of the printers, and using a special tool to move the part. See, and we want to move in this part. It will be a little hard, so we try to move the right one. Okay, see the place, and now we try the left one. Okay, we can take out this part. You can see this 2 point we need to normally it's locked into the holders, so then we need to use screwdriver to move the screw, the three piece on the print head. Okay, the last one. Now we can take out the print head and carefully to move the detect cable for the printer. Now we can see mostly the ink dry on the face of the print. Now we're using the cleaning solution, and we also need a special cleaning machine, smaller machine for the head cleaning, and put the head into the machine. Be careful, the ink liquid just arrived to the face. Now we are sitting to do about 3 minutes cleaning. You can see the all ink out of the loser. It will take around 5 minutes around. Okay, now we are trying to clean the head by hands. You can see after we also need to clean the head by syringe with the soft table and color by colors. Now we can soak and pump cleaning liquid into the print head 2 to 3 times. After clean all the colors, we can test the losers, see or run out.